How to turn off Safe Search on iPhone. If you have turned on Safe Search on your iPhone and if you launch Screen Time on your device, you will be prompted for a password. This is how you'll get to know that you have turned on Safe Search on iPhone. Now, to turn it back off, simply go to the Screen Time, scroll down, you will see Content and Privacy Restrictions, tap on it. From there, go to the Store, Web, Siri and Game Center content. Before that, make sure that Content and Privacy Restriction is toggled on. Now, once you go through it, go through the web content and make sure it is set to unrestricted. Now, go back again to the store page. From here, go through the web search content and set it to allow. Once you do both of this, you have successfully turned off your safe search on iPhone. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.